Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good enchiladas. To start, selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a delicious outcome. You'll want to begin with high-quality tortillas, whether corn or flour, for that perfect texture. Next, choose a flavorful sauce, perhaps a rich red chili or a vibrant green tomatillo. Don't forget your protein, like tender shredded chicken, and a good melting cheese to bring it all together. Now, let's prepare the core of your enchiladas. First, cook your chosen protein until it's tender and seasoned perfectly. Next, briefly warm your tortillas in a little oil or sauce. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing during rolling. You can also mix a bit of cheese or sauce directly into your filling for extra moisture and flavor. Just be sure your filling isn't too wet, which could lead to soggy results. With your ingredients ready, it's time for assembly. Dip each tortilla completely in your chosen sauce before adding the filling. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Place about 1/4 cup of filling down the center of each tortilla. Roll them tightly and arrange them seam side down in your baking dish. Finally, cover the rolled enchiladas with more sauce and a generous layer of your favorite melting cheese, preparing them for the oven. To finish, bake your enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Once out of the oven, let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents them from falling apart. Garnish with fresh cilantro, diced onions, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve these delicious enchiladas with traditional sides like rice and refried beans for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.